Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today we'll be making the best papaya salad. Here are the ingredients. Tomato, green tomato, and then you have green beans, crab, legs, and chili garlic. This is what it'll say, frozen crab with chili garlic. You can find this at any Asian store. And then we'll have the crab paste, spicy Thai salad dressing. You have shrimp paste as well. And then these are the tamari that you will be using. This is what it'll say, concentrated cooking tamari, and it'll come in a blue cap. And here is fish sauce. We have sugar in here and our pepper. We also have the green papaya. This is what you'll be looking for, not the ripe kind, the green kind. And all of these you'll find at Asian store if you just want to make one trip. So we'll go ahead and get started. Also forgot you need garlic as well. So I'll go ahead and use 3 for the garlic, and I had already put salt and my peppers in already. Depending on how spicy you want it, you can put as much as you want. And we will be using a mortar and pestle. So you want to go ahead and mix those up very well. I think I want it more spicy. Go ahead and put some more. Okay, and then next we'll go ahead and put in some shrimp paste, about 2 teaspoons, and our crab paste, about 2 teaspoons too. We're going to mix that in with the pepper and garlic. And this is how it will look. Kind of look weird right now, but the finished product will be amazing. Then we'll go ahead and put in our tomatoes. Depending how much tomato you like. You know, if you don't like a lot of tomato, you don't have to put a lot. If you like a lot of tomato, you can put a lot. And then go ahead and put these green looking tomatoes in as well. And we're going to mix these up. Make sure, you know, your tomato and all the juice is going in there. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and put in some sugar. If you like it sweet, you could put more, but right now I'm just going to put about 2 teaspoons. Mix that in. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and put in the crab. You don't have to put these if you don't like it. And mix those in. And then our green beans. Okay, and at this moment you could put the dressing if you like. I'm going to put about 4 teaspoons. Actually, I'll put more. If you like more, you could put more. I'm making a lot, so. And put in our fish sauce and our tamarind. I'm gonna mix these up. Mix it in really well. Now I like to add a little bit water so it doesn't get so thick. So just go ahead and add in some water. Mix it in. Okay. And since I'm making a lot of the papaya, I won't be putting it in my moro pesto. As you can see, it will overflow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my green papaya in a bigger bowl. Also forgot lemon. You could put lemon if you want, but the tamarind are already sour. So if you want it more sour like me, you could put some lemon in. Okay, so before you mix it in there, you want to taste the juice a little bit to see if you need to add anything else. Mine seems pretty good right now, so I'll go ahead and just mix this in. So you're gonna go ahead and you want to pour this over your green papaya salad. Okay, and I'm gonna get a bag. Since I don't have gloves, you want to mix this. You could use the pestle, but it's easier to use my hand. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this in. I'm just gonna mix it in, make sure it blends in really well with your green papaya. It requires a lot of ingredient, but it will taste really good. It will taste way better than the one you'll get like at the store, because they just do it using a few ingredients here, but here we're using a lot of different ingredients. Spicy papaya salad. So you can garnish it, put it in a plate and garnish it with cabbage.
Yeah.
Bon appetit.